Cool. Do you want to change your mind on that? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Hold on 1 second. Okay. 3 tries. I get 3 tries. There we go. You can hear it, you see it, and it goes actually inside. Here, look, look, look. The bottom.
Yeah.
Bottom is good. The top is still sealed. And shake. Listen carefully. You might hear it. You might need the mic too. So come closer. Got it to the bottom. You can hear that?
Yeah.
That's a terrible pour.
What? What?
You heard that, right?
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, okay, here, take this. Take this. Can you look up there? Can you see your signature on the coin?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, now the only way to get it out.
Get the front door.
Wait.